A video testimonial of one of your customers saying how brilliant your business is can do wonders for brand trust and also for convincing them not so sure customers into people that are excited to pick up the phone and use your services. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a convincing and converting video testimonial.
Marketing tools that win you more work. Digitool.
What I love about video testimonials is how effective they are. Sure, you saying how brilliant your company might stand for something, but having a genuinely happy customer stood there singing your praises, saying that they had a problem and saying that you solved it stands for so much more. Creating a convincing and converting video testimonial is really simple, but rather than tell you how to create your own, I'm going to show you. My family have a carpet cleaning business and I'm going to get a video testimonial for them and take you through step by step how I do it. Come on, let's have a go. So the first step is to find the ideal customer that can connect to all of your other customers. So first you need to find someone that's happy with your services. That should be easy because I'm sure you're doing a fantastic job for your customers. Second, choose someone that matches what your ideal customer would look like. So if you're trying to get customers that are young mums, try and get a video testimonial from young mums. Similarly, if you want a corporate client that owns a business, try and get a video testimonial from someone that looks like they own a business. So now you've thought about who it might be, let's pick up the phone and call them. Okay, let's give it a shot.
Hello, is that Kate? Hi Kate, it's Daisy from Smile Carpet Cleaning.
How are you getting on? Really good, thank you. It was just a really quick follow-up call, Kate. I think we came and cleaned for you a couple of weeks ago, didn't we? Yes, I know we came and cleaned for you and I'm just trying to make sure everyone's happy with the job. So I thought I'd give you a call and check you were. Would it be alright if I popped in and spoke to Carrie, check that she's happy with everything? Brilliant. Brilliant. Well, the other thing that we've been trying to do is get a couple of video testimonials of people saying that they're happy with our services. Do you reckon it would... Perfect. If I popped in on Monday to see Carrie, would that work with her? Perfect. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye.
So I've just got off the phone with our happy customer. The first thing I did was check that they were happy with the job on the phone. Everybody likes a follow-up. I then asked them very politely whether we could come and film them just to say them same things again. Now at this point people tend to get a little bit scared as though a full film crew is going to come in and it's a big deal. Here's a really good point just to reassure them what's going to happen. Just say it's you with an iPhone, nothing fancy. And also explain what questions you're going to ask them just so they feel ready and prepared for it. So now I'm going to go in on Monday and speak to our happy customer and I'll let you know how I get on.
When you're in front of your customer and ready to film, you want to make sure that off camera you're asking them open questions. So a closed question is where someone can answer a one-word answer, a yes or a no. So a closed question would be like, are you happy with our services? Here, a customer could quite easily say, yes, and that's all the video testimonial you've got. Instead, ask an open question. So an example of this would be, what did you think of our service? This gives your customer an opportunity to start saying a lot more. Well, I thought this and I thought that. And I find it's always better to keep asking more open questions so that you've got more footage. You can always edit this down later. A couple of examples of follow-up questions could be, what would you say to your friends and family about us? What did you think of the price? What did you think of the whole experience? What would you say to someone thinking of using our services? What made you choose us? What made us different to other companies? And I'm sure you can think of a lot more, but get asking them open questions so you can get a long-winded answer with lots of praise and lots of compliments that you can use as sound bites for your video testimonial.
Here on the left you can see footage of us filming the video testimonial, and on the right is the end result that we're going to be using. You can see I don't have a fancy setup at all. I just have me off camera asking questions, my iPhone with a GorillaPod tripod. They're really inexpensive and I can put a link if you'd like to buy one in the description below. I've placed my customer in front of lots of natural light and really that's it.
And you can see the end results, which I think look super professional. And to produce this, it's very inexpensive and easy to set up.
We got various quotes from different companies, different local companies, and Peter was very competitive.
Now you've got the film, you can edit this down to be a shorter clip. I'd advise that a video testimonial is under a minute if you're going to be sharing this in a lot of places. If you're editing your video, I really recommend an app called Quick. This allows you to chop up your video and just use the best bit. Then next step is to upload this to YouTube. When uploading it to YouTube, I would make sure that in the title of the video, you have the keywords that you want to be found on Google for. This will help even more people find your video testimonial, as it's much more likely to rank on Google for these terms. So this video testimonial is for a carpet cleaning business, and it's based in Manchester. I want people to find our business when they type in carpet cleaning Manchester. So that's what I'm going to call the title of this YouTube video. So this video can start organically appearing when people type in carpet cleaner Manchester. This shows you just how effective giving your YouTube title the right name can be. This is that same clip 2 days later, and it's already ranking page 1 on Google. Now it's time to promote that glowing testimonial. Get sharing it on social media, add it to your email footer, get it on your website and anywhere else you can think that future customers would be hanging out. Make sure they can see this video and be convinced that your business is the one they should be choosing. Now you've seen just how easy it is to create a video testimonial, it's time to make your own. And you know what? I would love to see what you come up with. If you pop your link to your video testimonials in the comments, I'll take a look at some. I'll give them a like and I'll see what you're up to. I'd absolutely love that. Also, if you could give this video a big thumbs up, it means that this video gets promoted more and is shared with more business owners, and it can help them create video testimonials too. If you could also subscribe to the channel, it means that you'll be the first to know when I post more videos, and it means that my mum's really happy and proud of me, which is a nice thing, right? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!